Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my August and September Young Living loyalty orders, but I also have a points order that I'm going to be sharing with you today. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil infused products. They have household cleaning products. They have personal care products. They have products that are designed for women, men, children, and even your pets. They have nutritional supplements and things like that. And I participate in their loyalty orders program, and so I'm committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And what I love about the program is that each month I can go in and I can change the items that are going to be sent to me, but I earn 25% back in points on whatever I spend. And so I'm going to share some of those free items that I received with my points today. My orders each month tend to be a combination of essential oils, personal care products, and supplements. So we're going to start with my August order first. Right on top I have my packing slip. I'm going to set that to the side. And the first thing that I see is something that I try to order every other month, and it is the Arch Refreshing Toner. So usually I'll order this one month and then I'll rotate and order the Gentle Cleanser the next month, and I go back and forth each month. But ART stands for Age Refining Technology, and it's good for like mature skin and things like that. Let me read to you what they say about their ART Refreshing Toner. So the ART Refreshing Toner gently removes impurities without drying the skin. The perfect blend of essential oils helps balance your skin's pH while leaving your face clean, toned, and refreshed. And I know it has some really good essential oils in it. Let's see if I can read what those are. So it has Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood, Peppermint, Frankincense, Lavender, Lemon, and Melissa essential oils in it, which are all really good for your skin. So I love this. So next I see another personal care item, and this is the Young Living Acne Treatment. And so I tend to struggle with breakouts on my chin and around my nose. And so I use this as part of my daily facial routine. And so this is something I only have to order it maybe once every 4 months because it just takes a little bit when you use it, but I'll use this every time I wash and cleanse my skin. And so for that product, it says, clear acne, blemishes, pimples, and blackheads, and allow your skin to heal with this over-the-counter product developed with naturally derived maximum strength salicylic acid, enhanced with pure essential oils. Maximum strength acne treatment helps keep your skin clear and smooth. We'll see what essential oils are in this product. So the print is really small, but I'm seeing some essential oils like frankincense, rosemary, tea tree, lavender, and chamomile, it looks like. So yes, I really love this product, and I like to use it as part of my skincare routine. Next in my order is a bag, and inside the bag are the Thieves Sprays. And so I got a 3-pack of the Thieves Sprays. These are great to put in your purse as a way to clean things really, really quickly. I like to use them to spray on like door handles and things like that. If you're sitting down in a restaurant and the table's really dirty, you can spray it and wipe it real quick. So these are just really portable and nice to have if you need to clean something quickly. And so it says, Thieves Spray is a portable cleaning spray ideal for purifying small surfaces. Thieves Spray can be used on doorknobs, handles, toilet seats, and more. And yeah, and if you're a person who travels and you're worried about things being clean, the Thieves Spray is perfect for just spraying down and cleaning really quickly. And so I have some tubes in the box, and small tubes usually mean essential oil, so let's see what we have in the first one. The first essential oil that I have is orange essential oil. This is a single, which means that there is only orange essential oil in here. I love orange essential oil because it is the perfect essential oil to blend with lots of other essential oils. Orange is great for your summer diffuser blends, your fall diffuser blends, winter, spring. So this is one that I just keep on hand and use all the time. Then I have another tube here. And so my husband loves the Shutran Beard Oil. And so this is something that I order monthly. Usually one lasts him about a month. And so I can put this in my loyalty order each month, and he loves it. It has the Shutran Essential Oil Blend in it. Let me read to you what's in the Shutran Essential Oil Blend so you know what this smells like. So the Shutran line is all products dedicated for men. And so the Shutran Essential Oil Blend has Idaho Blue Spruce, Ocotea, Ylang Ylang, Hinoki, Coriander, Davana, Lavender, Cedarwood, Lemon, and Northern Lights Black Spruce. And it's just a really good scent for men. But he loves this beard oil, which it says that the beard oil features the great scent of our original Shutran Essential Oil Blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And so, like I said, I get that monthly for him. And so that's it for my August order. Next, September. Again, I have the packing slip here. I'm going to set to the side. So first off, I have an empty tube in my box, and that's because my husband broke into this box and got the Shutran beard oil out. So there was another beard oil. Like I said, we order this monthly, and so he broke into the box and got this out for himself. Then I have the lavender bath and shower gel, and so I love Young Living's bath and shower gels. I usually rotate between the lavender and the Morning Start bath and shower gel. So the bath and shower gel is just a really nice clean product. It says that it is infused with pure lavender essential oil. Lavender bath and shower gel cleanses and soothes skin with a mild plant-based formula that doesn't strip skin of needed moisture. Formulated without sulfates, parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, or artificial colors or animal-derived ingredients. So this has lavender essential oil in it, but it also has lemon, rosemary, davana, and myrrh essential oils in it as well. And so, like I said, I usually rotate between this one and the Morning Start one. So I love this product. I really love anything that has lavender in it. It smells so good. Then I have a large tube here. Large tubes usually mean supplements. And so I have the Inner Defense supplement. I'm a school teacher. Once I go back to school, I start taking this each day. And so basically this is like thieves in a capsule. It says immune system support. So this Inner Defense supplement has the thieves combination. So this also contains what they call the Inner Defense Super Blend, which contains oregano, thyme, and lemongrass essential oils. And so Inner Defense is just really good for supporting my immune system, and I like that. Then I have the Thieves Household Cleaner, and so I love the whole Thieves line. So the Thieves products all contain the Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is cloves, cinnamon bark, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary, and they're all great for supporting the immune system. I love this Thieves Household Cleaner because you can take a spray bottle and you just put one, maybe 2 capfuls if you really want it to be extra strong, but 1 capful to the bottle and then fill it with water, and you can use it on pretty much any surface. I love to make a bottle and use it as my cleaning spray for my counters and my mirrors and things like that. It's great to put in mop water, so I just really love this. And I usually only have to order this about once every 4 to 6 months because you're only using 1 capful at a time. Let me read to you what they say about the Thieves Household Cleaner in the book. All right, so it says, combining naturally derived plant-based ingredients, Thieves Household Cleaner provides exceptional home cleaning and purifying power. This multi-purpose solution can be used for virtually any surface in your home or office and is perfect to use around every member of your family, including children and pets. So it gives you different dilution ratios on the back. It says most cleaning applications, if you need heavy degreasing or light degreasing, or if you're going to use it as a glass cleaner, it tells you how much to do. But like I said, I usually only use 1 or 2 capfuls when I make my spray bottle. Love that. You can't go wrong with any of the Thieves products. And then I have a tube here. And inside my tube is something that I was running low on, which is the Purification Essential Oil Blend. Now this is great for freshening things up. So I like to use the Purification Essential Oil Blend for a carpet fresh, or you can put some in your garbage disposal or anything like that. It just really freshens things up. But for my carpet fresh, I'll take a little bit of baking soda and usually about 5 drops of the Purification Essential Oil Blend, and I'll mix it together, and then I'll sprinkle it down on my carpet. I'll let it set for a little bit, and then I'll vacuum it up, and it just smells really nice. It is a blend, so it contains more than just 1 essential oil. So let me read to you what's in the Purification Essential Oil Blend. So it says, the sweet, refreshing scent of purification instantly deodorizes and neutralizes the air. Apply it topically to enjoy the outdoors annoyance-free. Its ingredients are lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, myrtle, citronella, and lavandin. And so it says you can diffuse, inhale directly, or apply topically. And so, like I said, it is really good for like freshening things up. If you have cooked something in your house and it's kind of stinky from cooking, then you could put purification in your diffuser, and that would help kind of neutralize the odors that are in your home from the cooking. So that's a good one to have. And so the last thing I see is this freebie that I got for spending a certain amount of money on my Young Living order. And it is this Einkorn Crunch. And it says the flavor is sea salt. It says a healthy anytime snack. And it looks like almost like granola. So I've never tried this. This looks like something that would be good to put on like vanilla yogurt or something like that. So I'll have to try this and let you know what I think. But this is a new item for me, so I'm interested to see what I think about that. And like I said, it was free, so that's always nice to get something free, right? All right, guys, that takes care of my September order. So now I'm going to show you what I received for free using some of my loyalty order points. All right, so first off, I have the Satin Facial Scrub in Mint. And so this is another personal care product that I absolutely love. The directions say apply directly to moisturized skin in a circular motion and rinse thoroughly and then pat dry. So again, like I mentioned earlier, I have an issue with like breakouts around my chin and around my nose. So I like to dab this on my skin and I'll let it sit for a couple minutes and then I'll go in and I'll wash it off and pat my skin dry. And so this is another product that I like to use for my skin that helps keep my skin a little bit more clear, smooth, soft. It kind of helps with some of my breakouts and things like that. Let me read to you what it says about the Satin Facial Scrub in Mint. All right, so it says, for the Satin Facial Scrub in Mint, polish and prep your skin with this naturally derived facial scrub made with apricot seed powder. Our Satin Facial Scrub gently exfoliates the face to lift and remove dry, dead skin cells and reveal bright, even-looking skin. And so I just really enjoy the way that makes my skin feel. So that was free with my points. Then I ordered another Inner Defense supplement because it's that time of year. We're going into fall. Winter will be here soon. And so I just know that I will need that additional immune system support. And so I ordered another one of these. And then lastly, I ordered something that I've had before that I was almost out of. And this is the Super B multivitamin supplement. It says, promotes a positive outlook and healthy energy. And it also says that it supports normal cardiovascular health. And so this is a Super B supplement. Let me read to you what it says about that in the book. All right, so Super B is a special blend of 8 essential B vitamins that are crucial for optimal health. Selenium, magnesium, and zinc are added to support proper absorption and digestion. And so if you know anything about B vitamins, they are supposed to support your energy levels. So I'm thinking I'm going to take that after school with maybe a little bit of Ningxia Red to support my overall health and energy and things like that. So you can see I got a variety of things. I've got some essential oils, I've got a lot of personal care and some supplements and household cleaning items here. I love the Young Living loyalty order program because I can earn points back towards free items. And every couple months I'll spend my points towards some items that I want to try, or if I need to replace some items, then I'll use my points towards that. I actually just spent some of my points, so I'll have some more free items coming to me very soon. So if you have any questions about Young Living, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.